Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to block or unblock someone on AOL Mail. So if you also want to block or unblock someone on AOL Mail, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After that, click on the search bar and type in mail.aol.com. Log into your account and then you'll be led to this kind of interface. Or you can also open the application instead. Now if you want to block or unblock someone, what you have to do is go to settings. For that, click on the gear icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, this kind of option will pop up. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for more settings. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. If you look at left, you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for security and privacy. Click on it. Now security and privacy interface will be opened. Here you'll be able to find the option for blocked addresses. All the addresses that you've blocked will appear over here. If you want to block someone, what you have to do is click on the add option that you can see right over here. Now click right over here. Now type an email address of that person that you want to block. Now click on the save option that you can see right over here. Now you will not receive messages from this address. If you want to unblock someone, what you have to do is click on the trash icon that you can see right next to that address. Now that person will be unblocked. So that is how you block or unblock someone on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.